Hello viewers and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to tell you how you can just lighten your skin tone, how you can make your skin 3 shade lighter. Yes, 3 shade lighter with only just two ingredient. One which I'm showing is potato. You have to take one potato and just wash it off and just remove its skin and just grate it with the manual grater. So here I have just grated it and just move it to a bowl. You can just move it to a pan, a hot pan, and boil it. So you have to just boil it for 5 minutes so that it will give you one creamy texture. So you have already grated it, so it will quickly dissolve in the water. So you have to take 1 cup of water in that and nicely boil it and just move it to a bowl. So I have just moved it to a bowl. So in that I'm adding the second ingredient, which is cornstarch. So this is the only this two ingredient we have to use to make this cream. So mix it well nicely so that the texture dissolves in and just move in. So little bit of cornstarch, you can see that it is there. It will be difficult to get it mixed, so again you have to hot it in a pan for 2 minutes, just for 2 minutes, so that it dissolve it well. And then to get that creamy texture, you can just also grind it in the mixer. So I have grinded it in the mixer and I have got a creamy smoothie texture. So I got my cream, so the skin whitening cream for your face. So important thing is wash your face and tie your hair back and apply this mask, or you can say this cream to you. So you can see that I just got this creamy texture, a cream. So you can apply all over your face with the help of brush, or if you're comfortable you can apply it with hand. I mostly do it with my hands only. So wash your hands nicely, and just apply it to entire face and also neck also. So it is important whenever you are applying any kind of cream or doing any kind of DIY, also do a patch test and make sure to put on your neck also, so that there is no difference between your face and neck. So both should look the same and the skin tone should look the same. So here I'm just applying to my forehead, to my cheek, and where I have a dark spot. So it is also good for the dark spot, and on your neck, on your cheek. So I do have on my forehead, I do have a suntan, and down of my chin I have a mark, so black spots. So I'm applying on there. On my neck also I'm just applying it. So now I have just washed my face and I'm really happy with the result. So you can just clearly see that it have just lightened my skin. You can especially see on my forehead. So there you can see the difference on my forehead. And also I will just show you the difference between my hand also. You can just check the difference of my left and right hand. So completely it shows that it has lightened the skin. So definitely this cream of potato on cornstarch had really helped it. So this will be recommended, like you can use thrice in a week, or you want you can just try it daily also till the time you just see the difference. So because we haven't added any kind of exfoliating ingredient in it, so it is definitely good for your skin. So after 5 minutes, I have just waited. So now I just feel my skin difference. I'm just showing you the difference of my hand also, like how difference it's showing it. So after this process, you have to add your moisturizer. I'm just applying my moisturizer to my skin as a aloe vera gel, so it makes the skin more supple and hydrated.